Yeah, well, Prof here. And there's a sleeping Paisley. You look at the cute little kitten. If I don't open up this spot here, when I'm working at my desk, we get a grumpy grumpster that comes and just basically pushes everything out of the way. Or digs in it. Oh, yeah. Oh, how are you, Paisley? So, we're not going to do this all in one video. But yeah. Look at all that. So first things first, this bad boy from Japan. Little, little paper envelope. But yeah, you guys are probably vomiting now. All right. Focus. Let's get the letter opener. Oh, we got another poster. Already have this for TsuShiMaMiRe. And what should be in here is... There you go. Ferret Noise. Yayoi solo project. I said last time incorrectly that it was their lead singer. It is their bassist. I'm a dum-dum. A robo-dum-dum-dum-dum. So... there you go, Yayoi. Yeah, next time, hopefully they're in the area. I am going to go check them out. The Guitar Wolf is the same weekend that Anime Central is, so hopefully I can go, but it's like Sunday after the convention. That may be a whole bunch. Here's the hoping. But here they got lyrics. And we have... what's in this here? Oh, this is the lyrics for the other one of these other two here. So we got Ferret Noise. I looked down and there was a town, and then Ferret Noise. I looked up and there was a moon, and there should be a third one coming soon. TM. Usually like soon TM what? Yeah. So if we go to oh, apparently I missed the CD for it because it was under merch, not under the album for some reason. Interesting. Poster with album download code out down. Poster without download code. Yeah, so I missed that. Either way, these are the two albums that Yayoi has here. Check them out. TsuShiMaMiRe is a band that you've seen me open up stuff from before. And like I said, she's the bassist. So, and because they shared on their, I want to say when their latest album came out here, the Mizu Mono, that she had put out a new album. Or was going on tour? Not a new album, was going on tour. I believe she had a tour date before their U.S. tour. Now, sadly, their current U.S. tour, I believe, is not hitting the Midwest. It is just West Coast and... Oh, almost ran over my charging cable. West Coast and East Coast. Let's take a look here. Yeah, I was trying to find it. I'm bad on all this stuff, but maybe they were just in. She had her own live though, which made me find this stuff, even though it's been out for a while. So I appreciate the message. Yep, and hopefully, yeah, we'll see you. We'll see you once you're back in the U.S. Usually, they do stop multiple times actually in the Midwest, unless it's like a abbreviated tour, which they've done like on their way back from Europe before and stuff like that. And they're like back. Well, yeah, they flew the one way and then they flew that way. Then they, kind of do that sort of thing. So yeah, here's to hoping. And guys, check out TsuShiMaMiRe as well as Ferret Noise. Good stuff. A lot of people have reviewed her solo project as very, very unique. Yeah, there you go. Lostwell, Austin, Texas, San Antonio, and then London, Canada is where it was. And the single released March 27th, Sakana, which, yeah, like I said, I somehow missed the getting the physical disc. I'll have to do that. It's only 500 yen, so it's like $10 shipping. I'll probably do it. Be like, oh, sorry, I missed it. Just throw it on his message. Thought I had everything, but for some reason, like I said, the CD version of the new single was not listed under the single on her page for some reason. Whereas these other two, basically, like it shows on Bandcamp, which is where you want to pick up their stuff, in my opinion. It'll show like the digital album, and you can do like a digital album plus CD down below, like that sort of a thing. So I'll have to pick up the single that this right here. Actually, this is how I found it, because I had a little. There was a little thing for Mizumono in there for this, and I was like, oh shit, you gotta go check that out. Heck yeah, I'll support him. So that's really it for this. Something else that came in right around that time is this Chroma. These have been really hard to find. Jay's 2 Cents have kind of showed them off. Razer hasn't restocked them recently. They're the addressable RGB controller. I couldn't find a new one, but I found a Amazon return one that's supposedly good. I got to test it. I'm just going to plug each channel into a RGB, a addressable RGB, and see if it works. Let me pull this and get this onto the stack of stuff I got to put away. Let's pull this here. Next up, on the next video, this one came in from Best Buy. I went in there to return some of my hard drives, and wanted to order this up, I noticed that the Viper V3 Pro had come out. But of course they only had black ones in stock, so I ordered myself up a white one. So please come back on the next episode of Dragon Ball. No. Prof picks up things and spends too much money.